Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ZTE A73S to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both. Following that, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of ZTE and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Then, also on an Android, scroll down and tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Finally, tap on Close this window and go back to ZTE smartphone. You can select all of those categories located at the top of it. And from those categories, choose files that you wish to transfer. When you're ready, hit Send next selected located at the bottom. I will go with this one photo, so when I click and tap on Send, I can select Got It in the pop-up and decide which connection way is better for me. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key instead, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!